Welcome to this lesson plan on project standards and setup. In this lesson, we'll look at selecting a project template. This is video 1 of 7. My name is John Harridge. I'll be your host for this lesson. Now let's take a look at the learning objectives for video 1 in this series. In this lesson, we'll take a look at selecting a Revit project template and determining why you would choose a particular template over another based on which project type you're about to take on. So with that, let's get started. Let's begin by creating a new project from a template, and then we'll discuss the finer points of Revit project templates. Please go ahead and click on New, and then let's hit the Browse button to go select an existing template that comes out of the box. And here you'll see a list of those templates. The templates are characterized by either building type or by discipline. In this case, we want to select the residential default template. You'll notice it has a .rte file suffix. Go ahead and choose Open. And then go ahead and select OK to accept and dismiss the dialog box and open that project file based on that template. In Revit, you use templates as starting points. Templates are empty files that are preset with drawing units and views that you use in a typical project. Templates also contain basic sets of object styles and display controls specific to working with objects in Revit. Now let's take a look at the model views that are included with the residential default template. You'll see that there's many model views already established for you, and that's the benefit of a template. Let's take a look further at the south elevation view, and you'll notice that the datums associated with those floor plan views are already established because of those datum planes. So you can begin work very quickly. Now let's take a look at the Sheets folder, and you'll notice that the sheet set has already been defined. Let's go ahead and explore one of these sheets in more detail. Let's take a look at the first floor plan sheet view. And you'll notice that the title block has already been placed, as well as the corresponding model view has already been placed on the sheet. So as you develop your Revit project, you'll see immediate progress show up in your sheet sets. That way you can actually keep track of where you're at in the development of your project. With that, that concludes this exercise. Go ahead and close the file without saving, and let's take a look at next steps. In review of this lesson, we were able to select a project template from an existing list, and then we were also able to understand the benefits of a specific template for a specific project type, or possibly even for specific disciplinary work. With that, let's take a look at next steps and Autodesk resources to be aware of. I would like to make you aware of two specific Autodesk resources. The first one being the Autodesk Education Community, where you can access free software for both students and educators, and that can be located at www.students.autodesk.com. It does require registration, and you can use either your own personal email address or a school-issued email address. The second resource is the Autodesk Digital STEAM Workshop. It's hands-on, project-based learning across multiple industries such as architecture, engineering, gaming, and animation. And those resources are located at www.digitalsteam.autodesk.com. This concludes this exercise. Thank you very much for watching.